Hello. As a home appliance expert, I have analyzed the Samsung RT53DG7A14WW model for you, covering all its technical details and the impact on user experience. This device is not just a cooler. It operates like a smart station that optimizes your kitchen's energy management. Here is the A to Z analysis of this model through an expert's lens. First and foremost, the device offers a spacious 530-liter internal volume. Of this, 404 liters are dedicated to the fridge section and 126 liters to the freezer. In this model, Samsung combines the snow-white color with a minimalist, flat door design. Thanks to the seamless recessed handles, it provides a smooth integration with your kitchen furniture. Its dimensions offer a width above standard standards, creating an ideal space for large pots and containers. At the heart of this refrigerator lies Twin Cooling Plus. Unlike traditional refrigerators, it uses two independent evaporators and fans for the freezer and fridge compartments. Moisture protection. It keeps humidity levels in the fridge section at around 70%, preventing vegetables and fruits from drying out. Odor mixing prevention. The smell of fish in the freezer does not permeate the cake below because the airflows are completely separated. Thanks to twin cooling technology, you can use the fridge in 5 different modes according to your needs. For example, when going on a long vacation, you can turn off the fridge section and keep only the freezer running, or if you are hosting a large gathering, you can cancel the freezer section and convert the entire unit into a fridge. The device comes with built-in Wi-Fi and connects to the SmartThings app. The AI Energy Mode analyzes your usage habits. By optimizing compressor speed and defrost cycles, it can reduce energy consumption by up to 10%. It warns you if you are at risk of exceeding your billing target and switches to savings mode. Although the annual average consumption is 275 kilowatt hours, this AI support provides serious efficiency in real-life scenarios. This compressor, developed by Samsung, does not work on an on-off logic but runs by speeding up or slowing down according to need. This makes it both very quiet and minimizes temperature fluctuations. Samsung is so confident in the reliability of this motor that it offers a 20-year warranty on the compressor. Additionally, the rear panel is covered with the clean back design. This prevents the coils from collecting dust and makes cleaning easier. Easy slide shelf. You can pull the shelf towards you to reach items at the back. This ends the era of forgotten food at the back. Spacious vegetable box. A massive area where you can fit your entire weekly market shopping. Deodorizing filter. It continuously eliminates bad odors by passing the air inside through active carbon filters. Twist ice maker. You can dump the ice into the bin with a single twisting motion. In summary, the RT53DG7A14WW is a technological marvel that combines the classic top-mount freezer design with the latest AI and twin cooling technologies, offering a long-lasting and modular solution.